Hello and welcome. I'd like to introduce you to a feature of VisNetic MailFlow we call Remote Reply. MailFlow users have asked for the ability to monitor and occasionally reply to tickets using an email client other than a web browser. VisNetic MailFlow 5 allows agents to reply to tickets from any email client, including Microsoft Outlook and Apple Mail, while having their replies added to the message thread within the ticket. The feature forwards a copy of the inbound message to the agent's remote reply email address. Using any standard email client, the agent then replies to the message, automatically threading the reply into the ticket, with the outbound message being sent from MailFlow. The remote reply feature applies to unknown tickets, or when properly configured, email sent directly to the agent's default email address. Let's take a look on how to set this up. Okay, now we'll log into MailFlow using an agent account that is a member of the administration group. We'll click on Administration, and then let's go to Contact Properties. We're going to add a new contact property. Called Remote Reply Address. We'll go ahead and save that. Now, if this is a brand new MailFlow 5 installation, the remote reply address contact property will already exist. If you're upgrading your MailFlow, then you'll need to complete this step of adding the remote reply to the contact properties. Once that's added, let's go into Agents and Groups, and let's edit an agent that we want to allow remote reply capabilities. So we'll go down to Additional Agent Information. We'll click Add. Let's add the property that we just added. We'll add the email address that this agent wants these emails forwarded to. So in this case, MikeR@bluestar.com. We'll save that. Now let's go into the custom routing rule. What we're doing is we want any emails that are sent into the Bluestar sales ticket box, we want those to be forwarded, or a copy of the emails forwarded to this agent, Mike Ryan. So let's go into the routing rule that applies to the Bluestar sales ticket box. We'll edit it. We'll click on Automatic Processing, and we're going to go ahead and enable the forward copy option. We're also going to click Allow Remote Reply from Forwarded Addresses. Then we will add the MikeR@bluestar.com. This will be the forwarding email address for each agent. And then we'll scroll down to Forward From, the name and email address defined below. So we're in the Bluestar sales ticket box, so the name on that ticket box is Bluestar Sales, and the email address that's associated with that ticket box is sales@bluestar.com. Okay, we'll go ahead and save that. Now, we'll click on the Bluestar sales ticket box. So Susan is going to send an email into Bluestar sales. Let's give a subject line of download. So now Susan has composed an email, sending it into Bluestar. Where can I download the latest version of VisNetic MailFlow? So she's going to go ahead and send that. Okay, we'll look for that email to arrive in the Bluestar sales ticket box. So here we are, the download subject line. Let's expand it. Let's just make sure we see. Okay, here's the email. And a copy of this message will be forwarded to the agent. So let's open up their Outlook client, and we'll see right here that here's a forwarded message. And a good indication that it came from MailFlow is in the subject line you have the message and ticket ID. So the agent would receive this into their Outlook, and at this point it's just a matter of replying to the email. Let's go ahead and add a signature in here. Okay, so now it's coming from the agent's Outlook client. We'll go ahead and send this. Okay, so let's go back into our Bluestar sales ticket box. Let's look for that remote reply. Here, Mike's reply is threaded into the message, into the ticket. and then MailFlow has sent the reply back out to the customer. So we'll open up Susan's email client, and we'll see that it has arrived here. Click it, and there we go. There's the reply from the Blue Star sales team. So there you have it. There's an example of how your agents can reply to tickets within MailFlow from an email client outside of the system. So if you'd like more tips and tricks of how to use MailFlow, you can certainly visit our support site at visnetic.com/support. Thank you.